Welcome everybody to Oracle Machine Learning Workshop. My name is Marek Winiarski and I will be your instructor for today. Oracle Data Science Platform. Machine learning supported by data sources, ingest, management, and analytics. For the session today, we will be focusing on Oracle Machine Learning. Data Science Project Lifecycle starts with the problem definition, followed by data access to consolidate and find the data useful and suitable for the project, followed by data exploration and preparation. Preparing the data is quite important in the process, followed by modeling of the data, and then validation and suitability for the actual model, deployment, and then monitoring, refresh, and retirement. Oracle Machine Learning embedded in autonomous database with support for SQL and Python. It's automated. Get better results faster with workflow automation including AutoML, automated data preparation, text mining, partitioned models, and prediction explanation. It is scalable, supports 30+ high performance, parallelized in database machine learning algorithms that require no data movement for model building and scoring. Easily scale open source Python models for scoring. It is production ready. Quickly deploy and update machine learning models in production databases or via REST APIs. Deploy user-defined Python functions with structured and image results. We provide full access to all Oracle database capabilities to access, query, modify data using SQL and PL SQL. Access and manipulate data in Oracle database via transparency layer using Python. And seamless integration with autonomous databases and object storage. Autonomous database links to other databases, cloud or other instances on premises can be done by DB links. You can also use Golden Gate for real-time data replication. For accessing data store in Object Store, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Azure or S3, you can use DBMS Cloud Package, and you can either load the data via API or query in place by creating an external table. No need to wait for Cloud SQL. For data exploration and preparation, you can use the power of SQL to enhance open source interfaces for in-database scalability. You can explore data with wide range of SQL statistical functions to compute in database on full dataset. Use Python, native syntax on database table, proxy objects, or in database execution with overloaded functions to compute statistics in database with local visualizations. You can prepare data using full power of SQL to query and modify data, and use Python native syntax on table proxy objects. Data exploration and visualization. You can use OML notebooks, built-in visualization or open source packages. After in-database data preparation, pull data to client to use open source packages. Use open source packages with embedded execution to return images in production settings with structured results. Python use pre-installed packages. For data preparation, automatically apply the right transformation depending on algorithm and data. Automatic data preparation. You can apply a set of transformations as required by in-database algorithms to speed data to model process. Standardization normalizes numeric data to fit required ranges. Binning applies a supervised transformation to numeric data for generate categorical bins. Missing value treatment, algorithm-dependent replacing missing numeric values with the mean and categorically values with the mode, or handles missing data natively. Outlier treatment removes values that deviate significantly from most other values in a column, which can affect normalizations and binning. Transformations included with the model for seamless model deployment. And you can turn on or off for complete control of data preparation. Oracle Machine Learning in Database, Algorithms and Analytics on Autonomous Database accessible in SQL and Python. Classification, clustering, anomaly detection, regression, time series, attribute importance, association rules, statistical functions, feature extraction, row importance, ranking, text mining support, and SQL analytics. OML for Pi, third-party software with OML notebooks. Python code runs in external VM. You can build models with fine-grained control or partial full automation, so data scientist productivity enhanced through automation. You can choose algorithms, specify hyperparameters, supply data. Auto data prep, you can use optional algorithms, specific transformations to speed getting to first model, auto scale feature, automatically scale up if additional CPU resources are needed, and in-database algorithms, high performance and parallelized. Use OML for Pi, Automatic Machine Learning, AutoML, to increase data scientist productivity and reduce overall compute time. Auto algorithm selection much faster than exhaustive search, identifying database algorithm that achieves highest model quality, find best algorithm faster than with exhaustive search. With auto feature selection, you reduce number of features by identifying most predictive, improve performance and accuracy. So auto model tuning significantly improve model accuracy and avoid manual and exhaustive search techniques. Automatic tuning of hyperparameters. Improve performance and accuracy with AutoML by reducing number of features by identifying the most relevant. So OpenML datasets, example with ML training time and prediction accuracy, and prediction accuracy for OpenML dataset with 56,000 rows and 784 columns. Model evaluation example where algorithms automatically compute standard matrix. Model explanation, prediction details. Identify the features of predictors that most influence a given prediction. Important where model transparency necessary to justify action. Useful during model evaluation as well as for end users to understand. Deployment. Deploy to applications and dashboards using SQL or REST APIs. In database models, first-class database objects accessible by an application or tool via SQL queries for batch, interactive, what-if prediction, export and import across database instances. Python scripts and models stored in autonomous database and immediately available from Python or REST APIs. OML notebooks. Model building and batch scoring enables job scheduling for automatic refresh of results. Model management. In database models listed in Model Catalog table, for example, use reminding models, grant revoke access to models across schemas, export import models across databases, your own or your teammates for testing, validations, and deployments. Use Python to deploy open source data science solutions. Use data store capability to save open source models and other results or deployment with embedded execution. Grant revoke access to user-defined Python functions. Solution pattern for ML in Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse. The objective is to use OML in Autonomous Data Warehouse to build machine learning models against data residing in Autonomous Data Warehouse or accessible via Cloud SQL. ML functionality is supplied by the database algorithms of ML and pre-installed Python packages. Overloaded, scalable, and native matplotlib Python capabilities support additional visualizations. Oracle Machine Learning Notebooks provides data scientists Zeppelin-based notebook environment for SQL and Python APIs access to OML functionality. Analytics Cloud provides additional visualization of data in the database, including machine learning results. Oracle Analytics Cloud will push down as much processing as possible to Autonomous Data Warehouse for data flow processing. Object storage is optional for Active Archive or data sharing. Active Archive is very less frequently used data is moved from Autonomous Data Warehouse to a lower cost storage tier, Object Storage. The data can still be queried from Object Storage, but the performance is slower. Object Storage can also be used to store data that is shared between cloud services. Data Catalog is used to harvest metadata from Autonomous Data Warehouse and Object Storage data sources. Users interact with Data Catalog to use and manage the catalog. Oracle Machine Learning Workshop resources. Create your free trial account for Oracle Cloud, and also you can take advantage of Introduction to Machine Learning Algorithms on ADB Workshop, where you would explore Oracle Machine Learning SQL notebooks to build reports, dashboards, and workbooks on the Autonomous database by following the link below.